We about to get into this video on these mulching blades, man.
In this game of life, nobody owe you nothing. In this game of life, we ain't promised shit.
Here we go. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe. Give me that thumbs up if you like this. Also, my YouTube channel is to give out advice and also to learn from other people who's out there doing it too. So if you got some advice on how I can do things better or a different way, I might implicate that, and it might help me grow my business. So everything helps. All right, but yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so here we go. I have not seen a video of anyone lately. The last one I checked was maybe 4 years ago. So I am about to put 6 blades. Sorry. 6 blades on my Bradley mower, because guess what? I got that. Yes, sir. So I've been seeing a lot of reviews and concerns about, since it's going to be 6 blades on there, and then I'm putting 6 mulching blades. So I'm not going to put any straight blades on it. I'm just going to put 6 mulching blades right now. And I'm basically just going to test it out to see how it does. I have a big yard, so I'll test it out and see how it runs. If there's any changes, like I'm hearing it's supposed to put strain on the spindles, the belt, the motor. So I really don't want to tear up my machine, but I also seen a couple videos of people that had them on there and they swear by them. So I got to see what that's about. And so these are going on my Gravely Prostance 2020. All right, so I'm about to put these this X blade system on here. I'm gonna put 6 mulching blades on my Gravely 2020 Prostance 48. I got the adapters, got the blades. Let's get into it. Make sure my deck is clean under here. Let's see. So I always keep me like a little planting thing. I don't know, a little shovel scoop, and I just scrape the dirt off. It's not really much because it's leaf mulching season. It's not so bad. Just some buildup only where some baffles are. So let's see. Y'all getting to see live. This is live. So, all right. So, mulching blades finna go on. I don't know if you can see it, but it has the little divots where it holds the blades. So one goes like that, and then you want to make sure those wings are going up, and then just follow through with your bolt. So me, I'm gonna screw it in, hand tighten it first before I start, because I want to see how it spins, make sure it doesn't hit anything. So as you can see, that first bank, I got them on there. I just need to tighten them down. So let's do that. Let's see if I can do that real quick. Okay. That wasn't so bad. You see how long that took? That was just one, so let's get to the middle. My jack might be in the way. No, that's not. Word to the wise. Get you an impact wrench, especially if you're looking to purchase a mower, a zero turn, because it's gonna save you a lot when you're gonna be changing blades, and it's gonna save you a lot of hassle than trying to do it the Muscle Man way. I got mine from Harbor Freight. Most of my tools, like that jack, this jack that you see right here, I got that from Harbor Freight like maybe 10 years ago. And I haven't had any problems with it. So again, I got the X blades up there, and I'm just gonna hand tighten them first. Make sure that those blades are in the grooves. All right. So I can't quite spin this one because my my jack is in the way, as you can see, but it's no issues. It will still spin. Once I take that, once I move the jack, it'll be able to spin. All right. Sorry, I'm trying to adjust my camera so y'all can see us out there in the world, YouTube. Again, this is going on the Gravely 2020 Prostance 48. I'm putting those dual X blades on there. So I'm gonna have a total of 6 mulching blades on this mower. All right. All right. So this side is gonna be, if you're standing behind the mower, it's gonna be your left side. You're gonna have more buildup right here because everything has got to go through all of this to get out that way. So again, it's not much, but since I got it in the air, I might as well, right? Just a little shovel like that. I don't know what they call it where you dig plants. Scoop it out. You'll be able to get that stuff out of those corners. So. Alrighty. Time to put the last set of blades on. As you can see, I got clearance, so let me go ahead and tighten them up. As you can see, I got 6 mulching blades on my gravy. All right, everybody, this is the moment you've been waiting for. I'm about to start up my Gravely Prostance 48. I just put the X blades on there, so now I have 6 blades, 12 points of contact cutting the grass. I'm about to start it up and pull it out on my driveway out here, and then I'm gonna turn it on with the blades and just maybe do a pass or two. It's still kind of wet out there, so here we go.